hope you've got light trousers on. Oh.
Oh no, someone wants to pee myself.
I'm not even telling you this.
Hey.
Hey. So you've got...
Oh. There's a waterfall bit on it.
Do you get wet?
So you're going to get wet.
Only if you mash down. Let's try not to
See?
do that.
Right, no, it's not that bit yet.
Oh, yeah. Let's try not to mash down.
Oh, I think.
I wanted one of them things, but you wouldn't let me.
But now I'm at the back.
I
have to hold on it tight. Oh god.
I'm in the back.
With all my hands.
Oh, he's getting away from me. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, it's finished.
You should have worn jeans. Oh, you should have worn jeans. I'm getting one of them wet ones from through. I don't care. You can get soaked on that pool. I really don't want my hair wet. I don't want my hair wet. We should have bought one of them shower caps with that girl brought. That'd been so good. It was a clever idea, that.
Yeah. Here. Oh.
Yeah, babe.
We're going up for you and that we're close.
We're going up,
we're going up. Hello people. We're going up in the wall. It is so funny.
Yeah? It's not even wet.
Not wet!
You can hardly tell.